Hello, math champions. Today we will complete lesson 12 of your Common Core Grade 3 Module 3 workbook. Let us see if you can apply the distributive property and the fact 10 minus 9 equal to 1 as a strategy to multiply. I'll show you how to do that, and let's see if you can do it yourself. First, let us multiply by 8. You have to skip count by 8 to get the answer. Our first question, 6 times 8. What is 6 times 8? Now, because we know the basic facts of 5, we know that 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 5 times 8 plus 1 times 8. So 40 plus 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. Here's another question. 8 times 2. 8 times 8. That's the same as 5 times 8 plus 3 times 8. Now 8 times 8, if you skip counting 8, you see the answer is 64. What is 7 times 8? 7 times 8 is the same as 5 times 8, which is 40, plus 2 times 8, which is 16. So you have 40 plus 16, which is 56. 7 times 8 equals 56. What is 9 times 8? 9 times 8, skip counting 8, and you find the answer is 72. Alright, so let's practice multiplying by 8. See how many problems you can answer in 2 minutes. You work left to right across the page on your multiply by 8 pattern sheet. Let's see how many you can get correctly in 2 minutes. Let us use this strategy to subtract. Take from the 10. This is 20 minus 2. Now, what is 20 minus 2? How can you solve this one quickly? You know that 20 can be written as 10 plus 10. Now, I use number bond to share it into 2, 10 plus 10. Now, 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 plus 10 is 18. So 20 minus 2 equals 18. What is 30 minus 3? Let's still use number bond. We can share it into 20 and 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 plus 20 is 27. 40 minus 4. Let's use number bond. We can share it into 30 and 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 plus 30 is 36. So 40 minus 4 equals 36. What is 50 minus 5? 50 is the same as 40 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 40 is 45. So 50 minus 5 is 45. Here is 60 minus 6. We can share 60 into 50 and 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 plus 50 is 54. So 60 minus 6 is 54. 70 minus 7. 70 can be written as 60 and 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 60 is 63. 70 minus 7 equals 63. 80 minus 8 equals dash. 80 can be written as 70 and 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 plus 70 is 72. 80 minus 8 equals 72. Here is 90 minus 9. 90 can be written as 80 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 80 is 81. 90 minus 9 equals 81. Mathematics is so easy. Here's an application problem. A scientist fills 5 test tubes with 9 milliliters of fresh water in each. She fills another 3 test tubes with 9 milliliters of salt water in each. How many milliliters of water does she use in all? Alright, let us look at that. She first filled 5 test tubes with 9 milliliters of water. That will be 9 in 5 places. 5 times 9. And then she filled 3 test tubes with 9 milliliters of salt water. That is 3 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 9 is 27. When you add the 2, you have 72. Right, here is another question. Let's see how we can use a 10th fact to help solve a 9th fact. Now, 8 times 9 is the same as 9 times 8. Which one is easier to solve, 9 times 8 or 10 times 8? Of course, 10 times 8. We already know that one equals 80. 10 times 8 equals 80. I want you to draw that in your personal whiteboard using tape diagram. And then, how many 8s are in 9 times 8? You know how to get that. When you solve your 10 times 8, just strike out one bundle of it so that it will remain 9 by 8. When you're done, you will see that the sentence will be 9 times 8 equals, in bracket, 10 times 8 minus 1 times 8. That will be 80 minus 8, 72. Let's see if you can use that same knowledge to solve this. 9 times 7. You will see how many 7s there are. You see that there are 70. 10 times 7 is 70. Use tape diagram to also do it. In the end, you are going to see that the sentence will be 9 times 7 equals 10 times 7 minus 1 times 7. That is 70 minus 7, 63. The same thing, if you do 9 times 6, the sentence is going to be 10 times 6 minus 1 times 6, which is 60 minus 6 equals 54. Now, I want you to use this knowledge to complete your lesson 12 problem set. When you're done, bring your work to class. Bye.